What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you on how to put your join membership button perks. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more of the updates. In YouTube, before you get monetized, there is a requirement. You need to reach the threshold. Meaning to say, you need to reach the 1000 subscribers and then the 4000 watch hour within a year. The first thing you should do before you create your join button membership perks, you need to sign in your Google account. After signing in to your Google account, you need to proceed in YouTube. After clicking YouTube Studio, all the way down, monetization. After seeing the monetization, there is a 3 option there: overview, membership, and supers. For now, we will be discussing about the membership, so you need to go to the memberships. So when you click the membership, you will see here all the memberships offer that I made before. When you click edit, you will see here all the memberships offer. So the membership offer correspond with the different price levels currency. It depends on which country you are living. The membership offers at least 3 prices. If you are a member of a certain level, please note that your membership will automatically renew for the next month. You can easily stop your membership earlier before the date since you join. So it depends on you on how much amount you will offer to your members. But when you decide to stop your membership, you can easily discontinue earlier than the date since you join. Your membership offers has different levels, so there is at least 3 price levels: low levels, medium level, and highest level. And these levels has different offers. So when you click the first level, you can customize and you can create whatever you want, what you like. This is the name, it will appear if anyone wants to join your memberships. Next for that is the monthly price. It depends on you on how much you wanted to offer to your members. So the currency, it depends on which country you live. Loyalty badges next to your name in comments and live chat. So these badges that you will create, please take note that your loyalty badges will appear during your live chat and it will appear also when they comment on your videos. Once you created your own design badges, loyalty badges next to your name in comments and in live chat. Please take note also that customized emojis will appear also during live streaming on your live chat and when they comment to your videos. So once everything is ready, you can now create my own perks. Then once you arrange everything, your membership offer, your badges, and your emojis, you can create also different badges on different levels. If you want any changes with your membership perks, you can save it a draft. Or if you are ready, then you can click submit for review, and then YouTube will start reviewing your membership offers and then it will be approved in just few hours. Please note guys, to deliver all your offers to your members. So I hope you are ready and enjoy your membership join button perks. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you have any comments and suggestions, please don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button for more of my videos. Thank you so much everyone. Much love, Postman Station.